A lot of ways to make money online, guys. You just have to stick to some steps and you have to set up everything correctly and the money is coming to you. I'm just gonna lay out step by step what you need to do, so hit that subscribe and let's go and make some money. First of all, just take a look at this. This website CPAgrip.com has 2 million total visits per each month. That means that 2 million people are getting the money on the website because you don't go over to CPA Grip in order to buy something or like that. You go there to get the money. And today, I'm going to show you how you can get the money there as well. As I've told you, the website is called CPAgrip.com and CPA stands for cost per action. So whenever someone does certain action, you get the money for it, okay? That's simple. CPA Grip is just one of the websites. You can as well use this website, which is called CPA Lead, and you have different offers on this website as well. Then there's Offer Vault, which is also one good one, and you can search through these categories, and you can, of course, involve yourself into any one of these and get the money. And of course, all these are working all over the world, so it doesn't matter where you live. You can live in Sudan and still get the money, and you can get a lot of money. So let's go and see how. First of all, whether you choose OfferWall, CPA Lead, or CPA Grip, you have to make yourself an account, right? So it's gonna be easy. Just click on register, but on CPA Grip, there's a catch. You have to click on Publisher tab, and you have to choose GPT, okay? GPT are the kinds of offers that we're gonna get installed, so just make sure that you select that, all right? Now, when you get inside of your dashboard, there are a few things that you have to take into consideration, okay? First of all, you can see this chat window. You can get a lot of help inside of this chat window because people are really helpful on the website. They want to help you to get the money just like they're doing it. Just take a look at this. People are also bragging in this chat window, and you can see that this person has earned $258,000 all time. But of course, it won't happen overnight. You will have to have some patience and you have to set this up correctly. And I'm here to show you how you can do it. At the start, you're just gonna be like this person. You're gonna get like 55 bucks, and that's gonna be pretty easy. So, what do you want to do when you come inside? Click on Offer Tools. You can see Offer Tools on this left-hand side here, and click on My Offers. Okay, that's the one you want to click. Now, inside of it, you can see that you have few different offers, and these are like recycling. Okay, so each week you have some new offers on the table, okay? So, for example, you can choose, I don't know, this one, this one, this one, and then you can see that you get $2 for each one of those. But you might be wondering, what do people need to do in order for you to get this money? Well, they need to enter their email address. For this one, you can see mobile install, and that's pretty much self-explanatory, right? They have to install something on their mobile phones. But I don't like to do these. These are way easier. In fact, you can just go to category and you can just click on email zip submit. That is the most easiest way. Trust me, when people go and see that they can win a $750 PayPal gift card, they're gonna happily click on that email button and they're gonna enter their email address, okay? Because they've got nothing to lose, right? They don't have nothing to lose, so they'll just enter that, enter the lottery, and then they have a chance of winning the grand prize, but you are getting $2 for each one of those signups, okay? And just imagine how many people are gonna do that, guys. I can assure you that on this offer, at least 1,000 people are gonna click on it, if not even more, okay? That's a lot of money. Now, you can see that these are the offers for the United States, okay? But you can change, okay? You can change any country in this list, okay? So maybe you find your own country in this list, and maybe you can do, I don't know, maybe you are, I don't know, from Hungary. Well, you click on it, and then you're gonna get the offers only from that country. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe you are from Germany, let's say. I misspelled that. So Germany also has offers, and it has this week even more than the US. So you can just scroll around. If you don't know what this means, guys, you can just use Google Translate, okay? And you can see that, for example, this one is email zip submit. You get $1.88, and people have a chance to win iPhone 14. You don't even have to know German in order to assume what this is. So then you're just gonna find some German traffic, and that's a topic for another video. I'm just gonna go back to US so we can get that, for example, PayPal gift card now. We're gonna get $2 for each one of those. So hit that subscribe button if you like this strategy. Thank you. Now, one of the traffic sources that I'm gonna share with you today is Pinterest, of course. Pinterest has a lot of traffic, and when you go inside of it, you can see that there are a lot of these pins, okay? You're just gonna go and make yourself a brand new account, and then you're just gonna upload the pin, okay? So, welcome to Pinterest. Make yourself an account. That's gonna be easy. And then when you are on the inside, I wanted to show you something, guys. This is how our gift card is gonna look like, okay? So we're gonna make the same thing, okay? The same thing as this one. And this is why I use Pinterest.com in order to get the money, to get the traffic, okay? Because Pinterest has 1 billion total visits per month, okay? Now, that's a lot of visitors, okay? That's a lot of visitors. 1 billion total visits each month are happening there. Just take a look at this. It is a constant traffic on Pinterest, and you can be sure that a lot of people are gonna see that, all right? First of all, what we have to do is we have to find a picture. So you can just type in PayPal gift card and then just proceed to images and then choose one of these, okay? Whichever one of these you take, it is a good thing. So for example, this is 750. You're always gonna find that. Just right click on it, click on open image in new tab, and then just save that image on your PC. Then what you have to do is you have to go to your profile, you have to make a new pin, click on the plus icon pin, and then drag and drop that picture. Now that you have the picture, you have to add the title, and that one will be pretty easy. Just copy this one, okay? Paste that in here, and of course, destination link. This is the most important. Grab the destination link and paste it in here. And then guys, you will get a lot of money, okay? You can see how easy this is actually. You will get $2 for each one of those signups. And this is easy because people don't have to buy anything, okay? They don't have to go and enter the credit card information for it. They just have to enter the email inside of it. There are some offers out there which require credit cards, but those are gonna give you a lot of money. Actually, for the US, there's none, but maybe for these other ones, yeah, for France, for example, you can see that for each one of those credit card submissions, you get approximately $22 maybe. Yeah, that's 25 here, 25, 23, but there's one for 20. But this requires more experience. As you get more experience, you could do these as well. But just use Pinterest, guys, get a lot of money, and I'll catch you.